Now we can open the little red door and find the treasure. Go ahead, Rocket. Open the little red door. Amazing! It's a whole garden of spiderwebs. And they're covered with little dewdrops of water. The sun is making them sparkle like little jewels.
Sing ka, sing.
Diamonds
Sing.
and pearls, emeralds and rubies. What an amazing treasure! Look, look, look! It's the Happy Spider! Happy Spider, did you make all these spider webs? They're magnificent! Look at that! The rocket is giving the Happy Spider another high five! Aww! Mission completion!
Where's your nose? Uy.
Now it's time for...
Oh, sige, acting portion tayo. Ay, talent portion tuloy. Talent portion. Iyak! Aba.
Come on, take a bite.
Iyak! Iyak!
Dito. Sunod kayo si Bumila niya.
Hindi, akin to. Iyak!
At minsan, may malalaking tao daw na sangkot. Paano po yung pagiging
Iyak ka muna, iyak.
ahente ng NBI?
Aba, ayaw. Sige, balak si Boy.
Isang ina. So sa loob ng bahay, may hawak kayong sandok.